Suno just dropped version 5.5, and this one is personal.
From the streets to the capitals, the tension's rising high. A global storm is coming, hear the battle cry. Nations clash and alliances break, it's a dangerous game. Civil wars ignite, the world's in flames.
You can now use your own voice in your songs, train a custom model on your own music catalog, and it even learns your taste to help you make better songs going forward. I have been testing this for the past few days, and I want to walk you through exactly how it works, starting with the feature everyone has been asking for. That feature is called Voices, and here is the simple version of what it does. You record a sample of your voice, or you upload a recording you already have, and Suno builds a voice model from it. Once that model exists, you can use it in any song you generate, so instead of some random Suno voice singing your track, it actually sounds like you. Let me show you how to set this up. Head over to the Suno website, the link is in the description for you, and sign up. Click on Create in the left sidebar, then switch over to Voices. If you used the old Videos feature before, nothing has changed there. It has just been renamed from Personas, and honestly the quality is even better in version 5.5. To create your own voice, click on Create Voice. You get 3 options here. You can record your voice live, upload a recording you already have, or pull audio straight from your Suno library. If you are recording fresh, sing in whatever style and language you want to use later, and if you have a decent microphone, that helps a lot. Try to record somewhere quiet with no background noise or people talking, and go for at least 30 seconds or more if you can. The longer the sample, the more accurate your voice model turns out. I am going with the upload option since I already have a recording of myself singing. From there, you can trim the sample down and keep only the cleanest part of your vocal, or play it back to hear how it sounds. And if you are not convinced, you can record and upload a better version. If it sounds good, click Use Voice, and Suno will verify that it is really you by asking you to read a short phrase out loud, this time in your own speaking voice. I read mine in English. Once you finish reading the phrase, click the check mark, and Suno verifies your voice by comparing it against the uploaded sample. Once that is confirmed, you get to name your voice, so it is easy to find later. I will just leave mine as my voice, and for the style tags and description, I will leave those empty since they are optional. You can either generate an AI avatar for it, or upload your own photo. I will generate one by typing a 3D cartoon holding a guitar and hitting send. This looks cool, so let me go ahead and save it. One thing worth knowing, any voice created from a recording or upload cannot be made public. It stays private in your own profile. Click Save again, and your voice is ready to go. Now for the fun part, actually making a song with it. I am choosing Advanced mode for more creation control. In the model selection, choose the latest version, 5.5. With your voice selected, paste in some lyrics. This can be with the help of AI, or if you have a music background, you can write them in your own tone and theme and paste them in, or use the built-in AI to write the lyrics for you. Add a style description for the genre or vibe you want to match your own taste. Scroll down and enter the song title if you want, but this is entirely optional. If you click More Options, you can choose the voice, gender, in this case male, and bump up the weirdness, style, and audio influence sliders if you want the output to sound closer to you specifically. The default works fine, so I will go ahead and generate it and let it cook. Here is the recording I uploaded, although it sounds funny since I am not great at singing.
I've been building something out of nothing. Late nights turning ideas into light.
And here is the generated music.
Hey. Walking through the shadows, eyes on the sun, step by step together, stronger as one. No fear can hold us, no wall can stay. Hope lights the path to a brighter day. Feel the breeze, hear the calling, stand up tall, no more falling. Rise, rise, let your spirit sing. Love and truth can change everything. Ride the rhythm, let your soul be.
Hearing the result next to my own voice sample was honestly a strange experience, in a good way. It genuinely captured the tone of my voice while turning it into a fully produced track. Here is another song generated in my voice.
Rock and roll love, yeah. Saw you standing in the crowd, headphones on, turned up loud. Ignore the world, just lost in sound.
Now, let me show you the second big feature, custom models. This lets you train Suno on your own music catalog and essentially build your own personal version of the tool. In the model selection menu, there is a new Create Custom Model option. Click it, and you will get a window where you can upload your songs. Suno recommends more than 24 songs for the best results, but you only need 6 to get started. For the model name, I am calling it Signature Remix. I am going to use bulk upload and feed it 6 songs from my device, all generated in my own voice, with the latest version, 5.5, and let it process. Once the upload finishes, click Create Custom Model, and Suno starts training in the background. You can close this since you will get notified once your custom model is ready. Whatever traits run through your uploads are what the model actually learns. Once the training finishes, go back under Custom Models and select the one you just created. This time, I will use the built-in AI to write me lyrics about Here I Am. For the style, I will type pop and enhance it. Enter the title and hit Create just to see what it comes up with on its own.
Sunrise creeping through my blinds. Another day, another grind. Coffee cold and toast burnt black. No looking back. Spinning plates. Spinning plates. Here I am. A cosmic gem. Lost and found on solid ground.
Even though I tried a different genre this time, it kept pulling back toward the same sound profile, because this custom model only knows what you fed it. That is the trade-off, total control over the flavor of your output, but it stays locked into that flavor unless you retrain it. The third feature is called My Taste, and you can find this under your profile. This one builds quietly in the background as you use Suno. Over time, it starts picking up on your creative preferences, the styles you keep gravitating toward, the production choices you consistently make, and the songs you like, skip, or keep coming back to. You can edit or refine this profile anytime if it feels off, and honestly, think of it like custom instructions in ChatGPT, except this one is tuned for your music. It quietly improves your results every time you create more music and use the built-in AI to refine your output. That covers the 3 biggest additions in Suno version 5.5, your own voice inside your songs, a custom model trained on your own catalog, and a taste profile that gets sharper the more you use it. If you want to try any of this yourself, the link is in the description below. If this kind of content is useful to you, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.